Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to chat with yourself on WhatsApp. This is really handy if you want to note something down for future in the WhatsApp app. Before we begin, shout out to all of these people who have commented on my last giveaway, and congratulations to this person who has won the £10 Amazon gift card voucher. This week I'll be doing the 4th giveaway and I'll be giving away another £10 Amazon gift card voucher. All you have to do is comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be picking a winner from this video's comments. Share this out to your friends and family. Winner will be announced on Sunday 28th March 2021. So good luck to all. So this can be done on an iPhone or an Android phone. The steps are very similar. So on your phone, open any browser like Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox or the Android stock browser. Now navigate to wa.me/the then your country code, then your mobile number. Remember to add the +sign and your country code. If you don't know your country code, then Google it and find out. Now once the page loads up, you might get a prompt to open in WhatsApp, so go ahead and tap on Open in WhatsApp. At the top, you'll notice your number, and now from here you can start typing in your notes. No one can see this chat apart from you, as you are sending these messages to your number. You can store important messages, photos, and contact numbers. WhatsApp messages are encrypted from end to end, so that means no one can read or listen to what is being sent here. And there you go, that is how to chat with yourself on WhatsApp and create yourself a section where you can take notes within WhatsApp. Hope this was helpful to you. If it was, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.